Natural hair is not high maintenance, but the way we've been taught to care for it, that part can feel very exhausting. I'm Janet, your healthy hair coach. And if you're a mom doing your hair and your children's hair, you've probably thought, why is this so much work? Here's the truth. It's not the hair, it's the expectation. Too many products, too many steps, and too much pressure to get it perfect. Perfect curls, perfect edges. Meanwhile, you're tired, the kids are tired, and wash day feels like a battle. So let's simplify it. Natural hair really and truly just needs a clean scalp, moisture, gentle handling, and consistency. Honestly, that's it. Not 15 products, not complicated routines, just something that fits around yours and your child's lifestyle. Because the real secret to healthy hair, consistency over complication. So if it's been feeling like too much lately, just stop. It might not be your hair, it might just be the way you've been taught. And that can be fixed.